Hello everyone, this is Bacholi with Archean. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how the hinges work. So we have two types of hinges here. We have the pivot and the hinge. So the hinge will basically rotate 180 degrees, right? So it'll go one way or the other. We can use throttle here just to demonstrate, but of course it can be connected to a computer and controlled automatically with whatever logic you want. We have to connect it through data and low voltage. Okay, so let's do this, and we can just move it around like that. We can configure its max rotation speed and acceleration here, and we can add things to it like blocks, whatever you want, or components. For this example, I'm actually going to add here a pivot as well. Okay. So we have a pivot here. Put it the other way. Let's connect that to power, and it will be connected via a flexible cable, which come up in the next tutorial. And we're gonna connect it to another throttle here. Right. So we can rotate it like that. We're going to add something to it. Let's say this, and let's just rotate it like that. We can just rotate it however we want, and they add up like that, or add up the movement. This pivot here has a servo mode that is checked by default. Basically, the value that you're sending it is the position that you want, but if you uncheck that, it's gonna be the speed. So if you just set a speed, you're just gonna continuously rotate that speed, right? And that speed is a ratio of whatever max speed that you set here. Okay, so you can do things like that with it. Right? It doesn't have self-collision, but it will collide with the ground and other separate entities. And when you want to remove them, then well, it's difficult when they do that. Let's try to stop that. If I can actually hit that. There it is. Now, if you want to remove the hinges, you cannot remove them if you still have something attached to it. So you're going to have to remove the thing there, and then you can remove it. And there's a block there, and then you can remove it. So that will be it for this tutorial. See you in the next one.